Let's dive into division. Hey super math stars, if you're having fun learning with me, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any new videos. Alright, let's start dividing 224 by 2. First, we look at the first digit of 224, which is 2. We're going to use this first digit 2. How many times does 2 fit into 2? It fits exactly 1 time. Let's check. 1 times 2 is 2. Now we subtract. 2 minus 2 equals 0. Awesome job, you're doing great. We've finished with the first digit. Let's move to the next one. Now let's bring down the next digit from 224, which is 2. We have 20 now. We bring down the next digit 2 to join the remainder 0. Our new number is 2. How many times does our divisor 2 fit into 2? It fits 1 time. Let's check our work. 1 times 2 is 2. Subtract again. 2 minus 2 equals 0. You're on a roll. Keep up the fantastic work. We're one step closer to the answer. Let's grab the last digit. Last but not least, let's bring down the final digit 4. We have 4 now. We bring down the 4 to join the remainder 0. Our new number is 4. How many times does 2 fit into 4? It fits 2 times. Let's see. 2 times 2 equals 4. Subtract 1 last time. 4 minus 4 equals 0. No remainder. Woohoo, you did it. That's fantastic. We've used all the digits and our remainder is 0. We're all done. So 224 divided by 2 equals 112. We just learned how to divide 224 by 2 step by step. See, long division can be super easy and fun. Great job, everyone. Keep practicing and you'll be division wizards in no time. Check out more awesome math adventures on Let's Stud.